We believe in fair societies. That is why we asked our Groundbreakers, both men and women, to answer what women in tech mean to them. Women are remarkable, fantastic, and much more. They represent balance, tenacity, resilience, dynamism, efficiency, assertiveness, knowledge, fulfillment, equality, dedication, disruptiveness, precision, empowerment, strength, progression, diversity, equity, beauty, competence, inclusion, and harmony. We believe that women always were and are groundbreaking. We keep standing for women's rights together in unity. Now we want to ask you, what do the women in your life mean to you? When you have the answer, make sure to tell them. WIT wishes all women out there a happy International Women's Day.